Well, hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be putting my bike back together like it was. Electric's actually sending me the mechanical front brake caliper I needed with cable and brake lever, finally, which I should have done in the first place, but they chose to send me the wrong thing, which we all know by my last ranting angry video was the wrong thing. So now I got to put the brake lever back on here for the rear, and then switch my cable back from the rear brake back over to the right side of the handlebars, because they're sending me a left mounted front brake lever and stuff. So I gotta put all this crap back on here now. I was gonna switch my grips out, but there's kind of no point because I've still got to take everything off of the right side now, or the left side of the bike handlebar, to replace the brake caliper when it shows up, because I have to replace the whole thing because they're sending a new cable, because otherwise I'd have to cut the cable and buy my own cable and all that good stuff, and that's not something I really want to do. So yeah, I may have to go to the back of the bike and loosen up the brake on this, which is going to be fun. Thinking I'm just going to have to do that anyway, but yeah, I'm gonna probably have to do that right now. Let me see if I'm gonna see if I can get this off here without having to get the get that off of there without having to actually go to the back of the bike. But I'm probably gonna have to loosen up the cable back there. My aunt is visiting right now, so her SUV's in the driveway, and I'm had very limited space to do this. So I just want to get this done so I'm ready. The brake caliper is not going to be here till Thursday though, so I guess because of New Year's and the fact that it's the weekend right now and everything's going to be delayed, so okay, that's loose. That'll make this so much easier now. I should have just loosened that in the first place. I don't know why I'm being so, being so me, technically. So I how to make this quite a bit easier. It's kind of bent though, so I'm having trouble getting it out of here. I'm going to need that facing that way eventually, not right now though. I'll put this down for a second. Now I'm putting my Allen wrench down in a specific spot on the ground that I know I put it so that I won't lose it this time. I'm learning, I'm evolving, look at that. I just had a can of soup and some bread. I don't feel like super full, but I don't feel entirely empty right now, so. So I'm not going to reconnect this because there's no point. I, however, am going to take this out, get this loose, because I don't need it. This little thing I'm undoing is like it's the horn for my light. It's annoyingly loud and obnoxious sounding, even more so than other light horns I've heard on other bikes on the YouTubes. Not so much in person. This can kind of be a pain sometimes. Scooch over a little bit. There we go. Probably should have took all these bike lights off of here to do this, but would have made things a little bit easier. Not much though. Well, they're sending me the new brake caliper, but they didn't say anything about returning the old one. I offered to return it, but they didn't say anything in the email about it. What? I'm talking to my camera. Oh. I'm making a YouTube video because I can't ride right now because I'm waiting on parts, so I gotta have something to upload if my channel doesn't tank. I got like 1,501 subscribers. Good. Yeah, so I'd like to keep them. Yeah, really. Yep. That's why. Oh, Violet puts YouTube stuff up? Yeah. Yeah.
No, it's so weird. She watches people open slime, open the packages of slime and get it out and talk about it.
And play with it, yeah.
Play with it, and then she watches different ways that girls put their makeup on or different skincare things they do. It's just...
Yeah, they're pretty popular online.
I know, and it's like, and she watches them for hours, and she's like, watch this, Nanners, and like 3 seconds later, yeah, that's fine.
I'm kind of in your way here. I don't think you might be able to.
No, you're not. I can go around.
You might squeeze past me.
I can go around.
Yeah, I just got to remember that I put that other bike there so I don't forget to put it away. That's my backup bike over there, but it's like I keep taking...
They won't get very far on it.
No, I keep taking parts off of it.
Yeah.
So it's like kind of like the backup supply bike at this point. Okay. Let me see something. So I think I actually am going to put this grip on here because I need it on here to hold the spacer thing in the throttle on there. I was talking about something. I don't know what I was talking about. I was talking to my aunt. I forgot. Oh well. Guess it's not important. I mean, technically, I could change and put that other grip on there for the time being. I might as well, just for aesthetic purposes. I think I need this Allen wrench for this. Pretty sure. Pretty freaking sure. Where's the hole? There's the hole. I don't know. That's the too small one. I need the other one. I need this right here. Here one. I should realize it's the one that has the more wear on it. It's the one I probably need. Because that one I pulled out, it's like doesn't have any wear on it at all. So, or it could be. No, there we go. Let's see. Where am I going? There we go. Twisting it the right way, I think. Oh, geez, Louise. Maybe I'm not twisting it the right way. I don't know. Because it's weird when stuff's upside down and you gotta freaking thread it. It's like, what way do I turn it, bro? Oh wait, there we go. Looks like it'd be. No, wait, yeah, I just figured it out in my head. I was turning it the wrong way. No, I'm not. I was turning it the right way. Dang it. Sorry. This is what I'm doing up here. I'm tightening the throttle back on. I don't can really see that. Sorry. Man, these pivot arms on this freaking my camera rig here sure come in handy for being able to move you guys around so you can see what I'm doing without having to actually take the camera off my chest. So if you guys ever get like an action camera, invest in some extra pivot arms. Keeps you from having to take the camera out of the mount all the time. You can just like move the pivot arms around. Unless you're trying to go left or right, then yeah, you're gonna have to pop the camera out. But so that's on there. Throttle's back on, brakes back on. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. See, normal people would do this standing up, but I'm fat, so I'm sitting down. In case you're wondering why I'm sitting down. Yeah, that fits freaking perfect. I'm just gonna do it this way.
We're coming out.
Okay. Are you guys going somewhere, or are you just?
Nope. I'm getting in the car again. I forgot stuff.
Oh. Oh, she's tossing stuff. Okay. That's a little loose still. Yep. It's like Haha, I have thwarted you again in your entrance into your vehicle.
Don't stop it. I don't want to do it.
Probably should have done this the other way. Oh well. That should be tight enough. Okay, that's done. I mean, I technically could just take this lever off right now. I think I'm going to take the lever off right now. Where did I put the other? You see, I lost the Allen wrench again. Now we're going this way. I gotta stand up. Or no, I don't. I can be lazy still. Jojo trying to get out.
Yes. That's it, right there. Right there.
So, yeah, we're back up here. I'm gonna go ahead and take this grip off and then take the throttle off for temporary and take the lever off. I might as well just get it all done as much as I can so when I get the new brake I could just pop it on here. And I think this one, nope, same size. Let's see, it's gotta go this way. I'm upside down. Or this way because I'm upside down. I don't know. Up that way. Okay, there we go. Talking to myself and talking to you at the same time. Let me tilt you back up. What's this camera had like? Was like a GoPro and it had like the window, like the viewing monitor on the front, so I could see what I'm doing. Uh-oh. I don't have enough slack on that thing to get it off there. Oh wait, yeah I do. I had to turn it. I don't want to yank the cables out of the splice. Oh, there we go. The splice girls. Okay, cool. Let's go and take this off of here now. That's really tight. I don't know what way to turn it. Shoot, okay. I don't think this lever's ever been taken off of here before. This is going to be really, really hard to get off of here. I'm trying to think of how this would look if I was upside down. I'm thinking it goes this way. I can't get this off of here. Shoot. Oh, there we go. I just don't want to injure myself, you know, that would suck. Like rip my freaking wrist open with an Allen wrench by accident. That'd be a weird injury to have at a hospital. Like, how the hell did you do that? Oh my god, this is like stuck on here. Oh my god, it won't even move. What the hell? I'm stupid. This brake lever has been off of here before because I have downhill bars on this bike, and it obviously doesn't come with downhill bars. Hello, Braden. Where are you today? So yeah. I mean, technically I could have just left that on there, and then when the new thing shows up, I could just pop the cable out of the lever and then pop it on here, but it's like, if I'm getting a new lever, I might as well use the new lever, right? For now, I'm just gonna, oh man, this is like just not enough slack, bro. Not enough slack. There we go. Just gonna put this all on here for now. I just won't like tighten it super tight on this side. Just do it a little loosely. And there's like just enough room for the brake thing to go on there. Brake lever when it gets here. This is on all the way. Sweet. So I'm gonna still tighten it down in case anybody gets a wild hair and decides to grab my bike and say, Uncle, like, oh my god, I went to grab the grip and then I totally ate shit because it wasn't on there tight, Larry. Thanks. Okay. It's back on there for now. So yeah, that's the excitingness I had to do today. That's pretty much it. I'm just gotta tighten up the rear cable now so that I can flip the bike over when I need to. Currently, I don't need to. So let me do that real quick. Tilt you guys back down. Make sure I put my tools away as I go. Clean as you go. It's the way to go. A little redundant to say it so. Okay. What we do with old grips in this house is we just throw them in the garage. sometimes they land in a good place and sometimes they roll back out and piss us off. But this time I lucked out and went in there. Take this lever and put it in. Technically, these brake levers, I'm pretty sure you can just you can have them whatever way you want. You can probably just flip it upside down if you want to. It's not going to hurt anything. Like for one side or the other. It's not going to hurt anything, but it's not like hydraulic or anything. I don't have like a fluid reservoir in it or something. I gotta rotate everything that way. I gotta roll the bike forward so I can actually get to the brake cable, the cobble. Oh, I gotta stand up. Oh, geez Louise, that's always so much fun. Okay. It's like, oh my god, these videos are so boring. You're not even riding your bike. Luckily, nobody's made a comment like that yet. I'm just projecting to the future. I don't have a good angle for this. I need to kind of push that up there and put that down there. Here's what I'm doing, by the way. Right down there. Push that up there. Put that down there and then tighten that up. And then I'm good. Brake still moves a little, so I know it's not hitting the disc, so yay. Okay, shoot. Oh, I definitely know it's not hitting the disc. Alright, well that was that. So, that was all I had to do today. I think I have 2 more e-bike rides I can edit. I'm uploading older content from like 8 years ago to my channel. That when I didn't actually have any subscribers. Instead of having you guys say, hey, go sift through all my old videos and find my old videos and watch them, I'm just going to re-upload them. One of them already got 60 views, so it kind of worked out. So yeah, well, I'm done. I don't have to keep you guys around anymore. I just got to put all my tools and stuff away now. So with that, remember to have a wonderful whatever, wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next e-bike video, hopefully. Well, the next e-bike video is going to be putting the new brake on and then maybe going for a ride that day, depending how I'm feeling. Also depends when the brake actually shows up. It says it's supposed to be here Thursday. It's coming UPS. It might show up at night. I don't know. So, alrighty. Bye.